dice on the way.
Chief is seated, my body be gleaming. You be talking different when you around your niggas. Chief is seated, my body be gleaming. You be talking different when you around your niggas.
Came out the womb, I was already grown. I was already known, praised by the family, giving them hope. Money the mission like Mito La Joe, kicking out walls like G.I. Joe. I need a palace and mansion a home. When I'm in Africa, leave me alone, cause I'm in the boonies when I'm in my zone. Save for estates, I need each member to have them a place. I need more money so we can escape, cause all of these villains, they know where I stay. Golden throne, let me take my seat. Lower your tone when you talking to me. You in the presence of a real chief. Disrespect me and yo so could leave. African bullets, they be tasting sweet.
Chief is seated, my body be gleaming. You be talking different when you around your niggas. Chief is seated, my body be gleaming. You be talking different when you around your niggas.
I got a village, I could be a villain. Disrespect me, I might get to the killing. Right in your will, you might think of your children. Hiding your baby, your mama, your women. I passed hoes back in my history. You cannot find those, cause it's still a mystery. Ay, do what I want, nigga, do what I say. Ooh, stop all that talking, boy, shut down your face. Moving in silence, I don't hesitate. Fake, faking the money they make, claiming my title they take. You cannot play with my fate, cause it pack a punch, that shit heavyweight. Wait.